Pa pa para pa para pa para pa 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 para pa para pa pa para pa 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 para pa pa para para pa pa para pa pa para pa para pa. Hello there. Okay. Listen this to the announcement. Is it necessary? I'm gonna go grab some water. I'm really thirsty and my throat hurts real bad. Okay, I'm back. Do I still have some of these throats? That's way too loud. Okay. Does the audio sound change when I speak? Okay, now it does not get quieter. Not a real problem. Please like, by the way, like the stream, so okay, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do right now. I did worked on the game, like off camera a bit. banana, banana, banana. Oh yeah, this thing. Let me copy. Okay. Let me change the audio. Which one sounds more appropriate? I'm really not sure. Also, I have my own stream open in the background, so I hear myself 2 times, and that is unpleasant. Okay. Hmm? Hmm. Oh yeah, this one could work. Okay. I didn't make a playlist yet. I want to make a playlist. It's not gonna last too long, right now. Is it playing? Yes. That's fun. I'm not gonna continue with the music. I'm gonna stop it soon, but maybe next time I will actually have a playlist. I will not be streaming this weekend, by the way. Okay, so what am I even doing now? Playtesting works. Right. Let me switch to this one. I will actually put this here. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. Okay, so basically everything works. I have the new icons. I haven't tried this one. This might look a little bit weird. This is a little test for some small but important tweaks I still need to figure out. Okay. Yeah, this is nice, I suppose. Yes, so to pause I also added a keyboard shortcut, and there is something which I want to try about this, right? The fact that the camera, when you pause or start, it pans. It doesn't just snap instantly. It like smoothly follows the player. I don't like that. It is an unintended feature. So that is the first thing I want to fix. And I have an idea of how I could do this actually. Let's see. Camera editor, camera controller. I did rename the script. This. So basically, when I update the playtest camera, at the very end, I so if the camera does not have the smoothing, position smoothing enabled, if not, camera the position. Okay, that works, I think. Then we enable the position smoothing, and then we not reset smoothing equals to nope. Still does not do it. I mean, for the player I do get it. Okay, no, it's a bit different. For the other game modes it does work. For the player it doesn't work because of how the camera is updated. Okay, so for the cube I will not update it right now. On the X position it does work, which is more important than the Y position. Oh no, it does kind of work, but only in the X position, which I do think is more important. Also, the player can... I want to test how high the player can climb. Because I want to test this because I added something like quite a few updates ago. Not a few, a lot of updates ago. It's a pretty old feature. Let me check. Player, where if the player keeps jumping as a cube, right, like the action is continuously pressed, it is not ever released, then we add a little bit to the velocity each time. Now, as you may notice, previously I was using another method, now I am using the arctan of the consecutive jumps times pi plus 1. This is not exactly pi, but like I could just use pi plus 1, but why do that? This works, like and yeah, that's about it for this. I think it works. I want to check something else though. So this is the what gap is that? 2x1 gap. Yes. No, not 2x1, 2x2. Dude, is not safe. Hmm. Oh, okay, it does save. I would hope so. And this one is 2 by 1, yeah. No, 3 by 1, yeah. This is another staircase, but it's a little different. Like, it is wider. I want to test it. I also fixed a bug where the game would not update this part of the editor. I need to add something so when you keep pressing it keeps moving. Right now it just it just kind of only works one because of how I made the input system. I have to see how I could change that. Okay, so now that does not work. Hmm. It does work for the taller staircase. Oh, that's not correct. No, no, that is correct. What about this? Yes, it gets uh over it. Okay, so I don't think this staircase is that useful anyway, like. Now, I want to check some other things. For example, okay. The modifier, when you move an object, if you hit shift 2, like, it does not move a full block. It moves about, I don't know exactly how much that is. Two pixels? 1 pixel. No, that's 1 pixel. Yeah, that is about 1 pixel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 2 pixels, yes, 2 pixels. That's 2 pixels. I don't know why actually. Does the normal move trigger do that? Not trigger. Action. Let's see, what error do we have? Oh, it was when creating a new level. This doesn't actually mean anything, it just means that a new level was created. Okay, well, I want to try if I... No. If I do this... no, not like that. Oh, come on. Why is it so high up? No. I did. Oh, come on. Okay, well, I suppose I don't have to do all of this. Okay, so the player does snap. That is a relief. Is my Wi-Fi out again? That would be pretty bad, because that means my stream would go offline. And it is not offline, so... Hello, what are you doing? I want to build a level that hopefully will be a main level. 1 second. I still have a few things to add to make the editor experience actually useful. Like, okay, no, I want to see that. Show me that. It's too high, yeah, but I want to see exactly what's too high. Okay, oh. That is interesting. Well, I haven't done this in a while. Visible collision shapes. This is going to look a bit interesting. 2x2. What's... Oh, I didn't save it. Right. Doesn't matter. But now, if I make a staircase like this, I should be able to just move. Well. And that does not happen. Let me see what actually happens here. Hello. Okay. That does not make it clearer. 1/16. Okay, so it snaps. Snaps. There it doesn't get to snap. Type them 1 block closer. Well, no, the problem is with the player. I mean, of course, if I make this a little bit, how can I? No. This is not 1 pixel, right? Why is it 2 pixels? Oh, you can... Well, yes, I do have that implemented, but it is way too light. Like, the correction is not good enough. Snap to ledge. Sometimes... Oh, is this why? Okay, so this checks... Why is this here? I'm sure this is because of some absurd bullshit. Excuse my language, but it very well could be. Okay, it's not about this. It's about the cube, right? So I remember there was a bug where you could change gravity with the ball like 2 times. Hello. Welcome to the stream. That is no longer the case, it seems. Very interesting. Well, now if I do make some sort of platform you can jump onto, and then one about here. Okay, no, that doesn't work. Let me restart. Okay, I need this to be really slow, and I need to be really careful. Hello, man. Also, there are some speed platforms. No, not yet. Viewer did implement some speed portals, but the implementation needs some work. Okay, now that does not work. What if I just bring this closer? And that lands there. So I think about this could work. Yes. Okay, now that landed 100%. So earlier. Okay, that still landed. That's rotating. Really important test here. Who is this? I forgot to mute this. 1 second. Oh, Coyote time. Let me see. I'm pretty sure I have Coyote time. I don't have Coyote time. I swear I had. Like, or of course it could be because of the time. Huh. Like, I swear I had that implemented. Very interesting. That will not fix the half block. That's another problem, I think. Okay, no, that's still way too little. Oh, yeah, I did forget. Lol. Yeah, I am still quite tired today because I woke up like pretty early. So I woke up like that does land. Okay. One more. Start position. I will only make it work in the... Okay, there, it did work. It did work there. I don't know why. If I change this, does it work better? I don't know, stronger. But I forgot to save again, my lord. I should quit this. I am no longer making the method dash. Save. Okay. That will land. So a bit earlier. Oh, 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 oh. What did it do there? Maybe if I just remove this. Try to jump later. Yeah. Let me check in the code. Cause I remember it being there. But I might be... I might be wrong. Oh my god. Well, I need to change... I need to change the inputs anyway and how they are handled, so that could be a good opportunity to do this. No, that's still on the block. No, still on. I don't think I can. Hello, Deep. Really bad. Really bad situation I find myself in. Thank you for the suggestions. I will attempt to add some of those in the future. Oh. Yeah, so if I try to jump here, look, it does correct it, but I don't know why it doesn't work for smaller gaps, smaller continuous gaps. Oh no. Oh. Well, now it does work. Why does it work? Now. Look. Yes, I know what a coyote jump is. I just thought I implemented it and I did not. I'm checking for something else now. Let me check this again. Okay, this works now. But there is another problem. When I do snap to a ledge, let me see. I want to set velocity.x. No. Yes. I can't set this. Position.x plus equals like 0.2. That's actually way too little. By 1 pixel. I snapped the player forward by 1 pixel. That shouldn't cause too much of an issue. Okay, and I did not save yet again because I am an idiot and I should consider signing myself into a retirement home because I might be useful for some sort of issue. Okay, so that doesn't work anymore. I hate this. I hate doing stuff like this. Especially on live. 0.7. I'll try 0.5 and then I'll go to 0.75 and do a binary. I'm going to break my monitor. I am deleting this project. I'm deleting my channel. If I do this one more time, save for God's sake. Okay. 0.5 does work. But okay, so about here is okay, so the offset isn't bad, right? It is not bad. Actually, I think I can even work with less. No, I can't work with less. Lol. 4.4. I need the least amount of change, right? I don't need more. I need just enough so the player doesn't go through this. Does it only work sometimes? Oh no. Okay. So if I have 0.5, it works all the time with no problems. Yeah, yay. That is amazing. I'm really curious because I am very sure that this is like a frame perfect thing. Let me see. Oh. Oh, that. Try it for longer suggestion. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. At 1 time speed. And if, for example, I build a little thing here. Listen, like, oh no, it does work. No, it doesn't work. What is that? Oh, oh no. Oh no, now it's worse. Now if I jump here. Oh. Okay. Well. Well, now I understand why I did that little check here. Okay. What if I just check if it's greater or equal to 0? Then that shouldn't happen anymore, right? If I have 3 blocks here. Yeah, look, that doesn't happen anymore. That's actually good. Make that simple. Only at the okay, the coyote time is like pretty easy for me to implement. Let's see, where is this? If it's really on surface, what does this show? Surface records that is colliding, or time in air is smaller than 0.3. Let's add the constant for the cube. Const coyote time limit. Cause the air time, right, I already checked that. So I'm going to set this at like 0.1 or something very small. 0.1 is not good. No one's going to jump like that. That's problematic. Airtime. When does airtime reset? It only resets when you jump on the surface, right? Time in air. Okay, and if you die, it's also 0 here. Okay, that's good. That's good. No problems here. Time limit this, and here I check for the this thing is a bit too big. I'm starting to not like it. Goodbye, battlefield. 1 second. 0.83 seconds. Wait, how? Did you search that up right now? How big is this coyote time then? Oh, it's really big. Oh, that's really big. Oh no. Well, if I just copy that, why couldn't it work? Am I right? Okay, the game is running faster. Why is it running fast? Did I just get used to it running slow? Okay, that's not good. Okay, I know why. I cannot use the airtime. Because I can double jump. Or maybe that is an intended feature. That could be an intended feature. if I remove this, if I comment this, comment. Then it could also fix this thing. It cannot. I feel like it's only getting worse and worse. Okay, we are cooked. Oh, you don't fall. Yeah, well, I don't think I can really check that. So what if I make it really small? Like, it can't be that bad, right? We can still do some crazy shit. What is that? Does the timer not reset or something? I think I'm checking something very wrong here. Did I put greater than? Okay, you know what? This is used for a lot of things. What if I only use it here? I was not expecting this to be about fixing player movement. Oh, oh no. Oh no. That's that's kind of fun. Well, I've just made the ship again. This is the ship game mode. No, this is the robot. This is literally the robot. I just made a new game mode. Thank you for watching. This has been igamer. Good night. Oh, that's fun. I mean, it's not fun. Okay, since on surface. Well, I'll just add another variable then. Time since last. Floor contact? I don't know. These names are getting ridiculous. Zero. Okay, and then when I am on a surface, like really on a surface, What is this? If velocity.y return false. Oh, this checks if the player is going up, like at a reasonable speed. No. What is it? Time since floor contact equals 0. Okay, and every time if not is on floor and input just or buffer is true, and if release on surface, snap to surface. Why do I snap 2 times to the surface? What is this? If it's on left, snap to ledge. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is fun. Really fun, isn't it? Time since floor contact plus equals delta. Yeah. So now I check here if time since floor contact is smaller than coyote time limit. It's never gonna be that small, right? And if it is, then okay, that's still a problem. That still doesn't work. Sure thing. Why? Like, for real this time, why? That I am an idiot. What am I even doing? How do I want to make a game if I make this type of mistake? I mean, I did catch it, but like, really? Really? I did this. I did this. That's genuinely idiotic. Okay. Zero point 0.083. Now, excuse me, calculator. What is it? What's the frame rate? So it's like so if the frame rate is I don't know how long a frame is. I swear I remember, but like I studied this. What was the I'm renaming this stream to watch a gamer fail to remember how to calculate the length of one frame. This is literally delta, like the time between two frames. Okay, it's not the length of a frame, it's like, I mean, it is the length of a frame. So I have 60 seconds. No, I have 1 second divided by 60, and that is 0.016 times 5. Yeah, it is 0.083. So I guess this is close. I mean, you can't do it. It's way too short to do it. Or is it? So if I set the limit to 0.83, yeah, because that is 5 frames. Then that does not work. Okay, I can't give it that much. I can only give it like 2 frames, and that would be 16, 32. Lol. Well, that is not supposed to happen. Like, what is this thing? What even is this? What did I make here? So, after we move the player, we check if it's really on the surface. If it's not, the time since floor contact is 0. If yes, it is on the surface, we reset this to 0, else we add delta, so the length of a frame. How we do this here? Is that the problem? Is it where I placed? No, that doesn't affect it at all. Uh, why is it? What? No, that doesn't work. Where's the if? What? Why? Oh, this is a little bit confusing. I do not understand what I'm doing right now. I am completely lost. And not because I can't like understand the code. It's just that, like, I'm very tired. Like, if I worked on this earlier, I would have had no problem fixing this. Especially if I'm on live. Like, people might want to watch this. I would rather they don't watch this. Please click off this stream. This sucks. This is some horrid, horrid content. Please do not watch this. Get off this video. I'm renaming this stream to please do not watch this. This sucks. I suck at this. I am way too tired to do anything meaningful. Actually, I'm going to delete this stream. Like, there never was a fourth Geometry Dash stream. There's gonna be a new one tomorrow. It never happened. Okay, this was an illusion. It's fake. Okay, we just have a variable here, right? So basically, check if is really on surface. Surface. And of course, this should all be no unindented. Okay, see, that was confusing me. It was indented incorrectly, and that messed me up pretty bad, actually. Let me. It's not going to work, right? Yeah, no. It's still a game mode I made or stolen. I don't remember, from a random level I found. It is on my Geometry Dash profile. I really don't remember why, when. Okay, so from the beginning of a frame physics process, can move, we apply the speed, we check for the orb buffer, we do this. Okay, time in air delta, time since for contact delta. But no, I don't want to add this every time. Do I? Why should I? Why should I check this now? No, that... Huh? What am I doing? I lost in that white. What the hell am I doing here? I honestly don't know. I don't know. No, no. Look at this. The time is small. What do you mean? What do you mean by this? This is smaller. Oh no, yes, it is smaller. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? No, I'm not adding coyote time right now. Okay? I'm not doing it. Goodbye. Thank you. Um, I'm going to check it later. I just want to see if the game is working again. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm tired. So tired. Please, just... Okay, thank you. No. Okay, well, this doesn't work. One less. Sure. Sure thing. Messi or Ronaldo? Honestly, I don't watch football, but definitely Messi, cause I've heard Ronaldo had some abhorrent performances recently. And not only recently, for quite some time. Like it's clear that he's had his moment of fame. But I am not one to give my opinion on football. I don't know anymore. Save, 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 save. This was supposed to be entirely with something else. No, why is it doing this? No, don't do this to me, please. I can't take it anymore. Oh no, don't act like nothing happened. Don't do that to me. No, you disgusting. You disgusting piece of shit. Oh no, yeah. Okay. Okay, that's disgusting of you. Honestly, do better. Like, please. Would I do something like that to you? I wouldn't. I'm. I really don't think I would. Okay? This is the ledge raycast. This is the raycast I use to determine what to do. And right here, I should set it to 5. Let's set it to 5. What could happen? I genuinely do not know. Could this make it work better? I am going insane. As some more songs. More songs. Right now, no. I can't do that. That takes a lot of time to make a nice playlist. Save, don't forget. Yes, I did forget not to, I did not forget how to save. I can speak. I can speak. I am going absolutely insane. Okay, I removed quality time because it was not functioning well. But at least this works. It works better than ever, okay? Take a break. Eat. I ate, I just ate. What was been? It's already an hour. Oh my god. uh, I just ate something, that's the thing. I don't want to eat anymore. I'm gonna become like a balloon if I keep eating. Let me do this 5.5, okay? So maybe it works like this too, and okay, yeah, that's great, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Goodbye. I am not going to try this. Okay. Oh. Oh. I forgot what I wanted to do in the first place. I think I wanted to add the bar here to move, like. Oh, that's sad. Oh, is that the that town or yeah, town village? Lake in Massachusetts? No, I'm pretty sure it is not from ignore this. Oh, it is. How is this I thought it was somewhere else. Huh. I do not know that. Thank you for the information. Oh, it's the lake. What was the town then? Okay. Now I remember. Thank you. I did forget that actually. Yeah, I am deleting this stream. I do not want this to exist ever again. This was the most horrible thing ever. For the record, I cannot pronounce these. Uh, this was the most horrible stream ever. And it is my fault because I kept trying to fix this little thing and it did not work ever. If game mode not equals game mode times not cube timing not equals 0. Yeah, that makes sense. Process cube physics. Yeah, this is fine, I suppose. Now it works. The player also does not get like stuck in place, which is an added bonus. I still do need the check on velocity when snapping. Yeah. Wait, then it doesn't work, right? No, it does work. Okay, go. Okay. Yes, go eat, please. I don't know. Maybe I'm going to eat something. I'm going to go eat something too and drink some water and return to actually do what I plan to do. Or I think I'll just stop this so I don't. No, I need to do something. This stream was not productive at all. It was a waste of time. I mean, it wasn't a waste of time because I learned that the player is way too complex. Like, I need to split things up a lot. The inputs are weird. The way I handled collision is the most hacky type of physics stuff. I don't even want to think about that. So maybe I will at least make the bar, the slider, whatever. Okay, igamer sleep. That was not the music I intended to use. You know what? No, I'll stop the music. I don't want to play music right now. Was not epic enough for this kind of music. This was a failure. I should put the loose sound effect from Team Fortress 2. I don't think I have it saved on my computer, unfortunately. I thought I had it, but I don't. No one should be getting there. Okay, now this should work better, please. I want to see if you fall enough. Are you going to get killed? I mean, I know you will die eventually due to other causes. But no, I mean like... Ignore this. If I go up like this, like a lot, lot, I fall. Okay, no. Oh. What? 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 What the hell is there? Huh? Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. What is this? Is there collision here? What kind of... What? I have no idea what happened there. I'm trying to figure out. This stream absolutely sucks, by the way. I repeat it again. I ate a banana and I'm still not done with it, actually. I have a bit more. Okay, so now seriously, how do I add this? Where do I add it? Top bar. Add. Slider. Horizontal slider. Yes. This. Yes. No. No. Not good. Top bar. This slider. Okay. And I do not want it to be that wide. I want it to be like this wide. Okay. Now theme. I don't think any of these will suffice. I don't have a good theme. Oh look, this kind of works. Okay, this kind of works. But I do want theme override for the grabber because I really need paint. Yeah. Let's see. Game. Yeah, let's see the textures. Paint, not paint. Paint.net. These are the designs I used for the for this stream, for these streams, multiple of them. Assets. Here I have everything related to. This is the Geometry Dash folder. Themes, objects. I forgot exactly where the slides are here. Okay. Yeah, amazing stuff. Thank you. So I take this and I sorry. What? It's not tall enough? 83. What is this thing? I did not know about this, to be honest. Height 84 then. How weird. No wonder I didn't like this texture. It wasn't even correctly made. Actually, now that I think about it, I want to remake it. Okay. Give me this color. Give me what color? This color. Yeah. A brush size of 3. About that. Think. Okay, and now we show this again. Yeah, I just need to lighten it up a bit, make it look nice, and add a move icon to it. Like this, but I need it to be softer, lower opacity, hardness lower, brush size a bit higher. No, still way too strong. Okay, and now the texture. Now the texture to move. I think I already made it before, but I need to check. Still here. Icons? No. I didn't make it. I've got no button for this. That's unfortunate. Yeah, pretty nice, I suppose. You know what? Object drop shadow. Not drop shadow, outline. Softness. Like a bit. Oh my god. Look what they did to it. No. No, 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 no. I can't see this. It's breaking my heart. Yeah. Now this looks a bit better. Am I right or am I right? Save as projects. Ignore that, please. That is not relevant at all to anything that I am working on exactly at this moment in time. Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. I really thought I was muted. Yes, I do want to replace it. Sure, flatten. You know what? I'm going to make this a new atlas texture. I'm going to choose the atlas to be the sliders. Okay, now please go back to the sliders. Region, this thing. Yeah, just isn't it wonderful? Can I scale it? I want to scale it. It is a bit too smooth actually, now that I think about it. Let's make this. No, no. Ooh, ooh, it's a bit too shiny now. It looks a bit too shiny now. I mean, I like it. It looks premium. It has a nice texture. Is that why the border is so thick? Hmm. Yeah. I forgot about this. Yeah, well, it ain't here no more. It cannot hurt us. Yeah, that's great. I like it. This is better than whatever I was working on. Yeah. It is kind of funny. Okay, that's all I needed. Okay. Yeah, I went a bit too hard with this. It looks like straight out of something else. Oh, oh no. I haven't made buttons like the ones I previously made in a while. So this is kind of funny. Oh well. I just want something now. I'll change it later. I really hope no one is actually watching this. This sucks. Ew. What the hell is this? Okay, so this slider is a level camera slider. And it's the job of the UI system and of the camera to do this. So signal uh slider, but I don't exactly know what signal this emits. I'll just put a function here at the bottom. Func. No, on camera slider update. Yeah, this is better naming. I am checking the stream because I don't know. I don't have my phone right now. Open. I mean, I can open it, but I'm checking all the messages. Nothing problematic showed up. But in the top bar, when I configure the top bar, delete, pause, playtest. These are genuinely useless right now. So here I say oh, this is not the texture button. Okay, well, I'll just say, what does this extend? Open documentation. Search range, okay. So just control level camera slider button dot drag ended. Yes, value changed. On camera slider update. Okay, so I need a value here, float, emit with the value. I have here float in the camera controller. I connect this UI system that camera slider update the connect slide camera 2%. Okay, so next to pan, slide camera. What did I? Yes, slide camera 2%. And here it's percent. How is it written? Is it like percent? Percent, yeah. And what would the level length actually be? Like, it's about 300 on average. Yeah, 300 times 16. Quite a bit. It's quite a bit. So, camera dot global position dot x equals what is performance? I did not know about this. That's so cool. That's actually quite cool. Global position is on the calculate. If this is the percentage, then this slider has to have the max value of 100. a step of 1 or 0.1. I don't know this actually. So I need it to be the percentage divided by 100. Yes. Percent divided by 100 times the level length. Can I define this? Oh no, code region. I don't actually know what that is. I don't use it. Yeah, $350. Default. Yes, this thing. Okay. And I think that's about it. I think it should already work. Lucky. Yeah. But I also need to update the slider when I like move it. Also, I feel like the scaling does not work that well. Ugh. Do I really need to? I don't want to. Please, no. Okay, I guess. Atlas texture. Atlas is sliders. Yeah. The region is this one. It has the texture. Please use it. 15, 15, 15, 15. Yeah, that's amazing. Sure. Copy, grabber area, paste, make unique. This also. Make it unique. Boring. Very boring. Seven. Yeah, about 7. 7 minus 3. I don't know how to do this here. What if I add like a margin to the left? No. Right? No. Subregion. No. So ring. Okay, wait, that works. Why does that work? Hmm. Oh, I hate this. Ugh. Okay, and this is just the same as this. No, not tile fit. I want like to tile. No, I don't want this to tile. I want the other style. Why is the slider so small? I don't like this. I want to put. I want it to be big. Sorry. Oh. No. Like this is scary. I see this at 0, 0. And here. No, I will add a margin. Okay, I can add a margin from the Atlas texture, and that works fine. Yeah, who you gonna call? Ghostbuster. I can't even sing. My voice is quite broken right now. Why does this not update properly? Please update. Why does it not view in here? I don't like that. Please view in here. Ugh. Hello. Sorry that I'm not speaking, but like, I'm trying to figure this thing out. I'm hating it. Okay. Okay, what is that? Why? Why? Why would that be the case? And I don't understand this. It should be 4, right? I mean, 4 plus 8, 12. Why does this not work? Why does it look so weird? Oh, I can do that? I thought like it didn't work. Okay. Whatever. Do I need to like make it so it overlays or something? I I don't like it. Okay. Seven. 7 is the margin. Okay. 7. Five. Uh I hate this. I hate teaming. I hate teaming. What is a subregion? Oh my god. Ah, so horrible. I'm going to fall asleep here. Please work. Give me the value. What's the value? Yeah, oh well. Okay, well, I think that's sufficient. I generally think that is sufficient. Okay. That was enough. Thank you for watching. Or not thank you for watching. I hope you did not watch this stream. Hope you do not. Good night.